Welcome. This is your invitation to join me Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for this live webinar. It's a 5-step vision strategy Kickstarter for 2020. This is going to be a free training that is going to give you a 5-step vision strategy kickstart for your new year, to get your business in order, to achieve your goals, and to get results. This is all about you building the lifestyle you want and having the dream business for 2020 that you're desiring. So join me here, this live webinar. The link is right down here underneath this video. Grab it and reserve your seat because it is already filling up fast. So definitely reserve your seat, and I will see you there Wednesday night. This Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Reserve your place and be prepared to take notes. And there is also a free training packet for you. So be sure you get in here, and definitely I will see you Wednesday night.